And over in Trelawny, the police have linked this morning's shooting of 6 people in Bounty Hall to a gang feud in the area. 3 of the persons shot in the attack have since died. Anthony Lugg has the details.
It was a bloody Friday morning for residents of Bounty Hall, Trelawny.
This morning time, I get up and I go wee. Wee up myself because I have to go down on my belly and I hear it. Because I think it's clappers, but I'm not clappers.
The people woke up to investigators combing the scene of a triple murder at this location. It all unfolded shortly after 1 a.m. According to reports, 6 people were traveling home from an illegal party in this black Toyota Voxy. The driver, it's understood, made a stop to pick up a friend. However, they were ambushed by 4 men carrying rifles and handguns who sprayed bullets on the vehicle, hitting all the occupants. They were rushed to hospital, where 3 were pronounced dead. Superintendent Carlos Russell is commanding officer for the Trelawny Police Division.
From information we received, this incident would have stemmed from some gang conflict that has been happening in the space. The police are aware of the situation and we are following strong leads, and hopefully we will hold the persons responsible for this crime very soon. Based on what we have garnered so far, the persons who have been killed would have been are not a part of the conflict and would have been innocent persons. It was just a case of misidentity.
The deceased have been identified as 24-year-old Daniel Williams, 26-year-old Tashay Black, and 25-year-old Shanelia Clark, all of Trelawny addresses. Friday morning's deadly attack has left a dark cloud over the community. And though it's early days yet, the police are insisting that they're following strong leads. Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime Fitz Bailey was on location.
When we have these type of extraordinary situation, there's a requirement for an extraordinary response. And what I will say in respect to this matter, we are going to use all the resources that are available to ensure that the people that are responsible are brought to justice.
That assurance from the police, but until then, residents of Bounty Hall remain on edge.
But this me come see, so me feel for the youth them. A young youth and they don't stand make life yet, you know, man. They don't make life yet, and the girl them don't make life. And this how we can't get in our community.
I first in my life me ever hear them as something here, and fi come and fi see. And them as something I reach in the morning.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.